is all around us, it's not something we see. Sound is vibration in different qualities. Sound is all around us, it's not something we see. Sound is vibration in different qualities. Strike the drum with force, the vibration will be strong. Our ears will hear as loud, we'll want to dance along. Tap the drum with fingertips, vibrations will be weak. The ears will hear as soft, and it won't disturb our sleep. Sound is all around us.
But he also has a way for them to see the vibration by adding rice to the surface. Tap hard and the rice bounces off the surface. To make the fork vibrate, he wraps it against his hand and holds it to their ears. They hear the pitch. He does it again, and it sounds louder as the vibrations travel through the metal table. What will happen if we put the tuning fork in water? The vibration made the water move. So fast, we need to see that again.
Pretty amazing, isn't it? Yeah.
Mr. Howard loops a rubber band over the face of a frying pan. What instrument does it look like? Did you guess guitar? They did. And as Mr. H added more rubber bands, it looked even more like a guitar. And when they made the rubber band strings vibrate by strumming them, the sound was different for each band. With the rubber bands, you can really see the vibrations.